Hey, I'm gonna do a wolf cut because I've been wanting to do it for like a year now, ever since I first heard about it. This will either look really great or really bad. I just washed and straightened my hair. As you can see, my ends are, well, this isn't the best way to represent my ends, but like they're not doing great. So from what I know, with the wolf cut, first thing you need to do is brush your hair all the way to the front. And I think you do this in layers too. I've seen people do it in like layers. So it's like I'll brush my hair all the way to the front. Okay. We got one down. I think you do a few of them. Here's another. And then we'll do one more with a very tippy tip. My hair is already short, so whatever. Let me cut this piece off. And we'll just give it a nice, I'm gonna cut this much. I'm gonna cut it all the way up here. Here we go. It's good, it's done. Okie dokie. That was layer one, and then I think take it down and then I do it again. First, let's see how this looks. Oh, it feels great. Okay, let's do the next layer. Let's start here, I guess. I think I need to cut more off. Poor hair. It just feels really, 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 really damaged. So let's just go ahead and do it. Just start it from here. Just give it a nice little snip. I know it's a lot, I know. It's gone. That was layer one. There we go. There's that weight I was looking for. Now we'll hit the next layer because that feels so good. I don't even know if this even counts as a wolf cut. It doesn't feel like it does. Or maybe it'll get there later the more I do this. I don't know why I'm acting like I have all the time in the world. Because God knows I don't. Okay, this is the next layer. And then we'll probably just do one more layer after this. I think I'm supposed to have two. Let's go ahead and get this baby nice and trimmed. Just getting it all off. Okay. Feels great. Look at those ends. And now we'll do, oh my goodness. And now we'll do one more to get those front bangs. Or maybe we don't need to do, no, we gotta do the last one. I kind of like it. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like it. I'm digging it. It's very me. Or me now, anyway. Yeah, this should be the last little bit. I don't know. Guess we'll see. I don't know. I'm just doing whatever. Okay. Quickly, because I gotta get to work. I'm just gonna do this and then twist this part at the bottom and just cut this part. It's just hair. It'll grow back. Okay, we're wolfed now. Oh man. That's I certainly look wolfy for sure. Was not planning to cut bangs, but I guess I have bangs now. And I think what I'm gonna do as far as like styling it is I'm probably going to like, oh, I kind of want to clean it up a bit. Not gonna lie. Yeah, let's just do a little. It's already a bang, it doesn't matter. What? Yeah, I guess we are a wolf now. I think I'm gonna need to curl it to really make it look like it makes sense. But it feels so healthy. That's what I'm going for, health. Yeah, we're done. I'll go back and style it and let you know how it goes. Whatever, dude, like, whatever, who cares? All right, bye. So here I actually did the Olaplex treatment on my hair, and then I ended up washing my hair and deep conditioning it, and then doing a regular condition, and then I tried this new blow dryer out to straighten my hair out a bit, and then I used a new flat iron and I completely pressed my hair. So there will be some videos and reviews coming out on these products really soon, so stay tuned. Okay, we've hit the bangs. I'm a little nervous. I did not, see when I did the wolf cut, I did not mean to give myself bangs. That was not the goal. I kind of feel tricked when I did that cut because the girl that I saw that did it, she had really long hair, so yeah, she didn't get bangs, but I don't. And I just kept cutting, and then I was like, oh, you have bangs now. Okay. Well, you always wanted to try bangs. But I've always been scared to be, when I was younger, I was scared of bangs because I was scared that they wouldn't, because I was always natural, so I was scared that they wouldn't, I was scared that I wouldn't be able to find them. Like I would think, because I had, you know, a lot of dolls. And with dolls, sometimes, I mean, I guess because the stuff we had was cheap. So the dolls, you get those bangs mixed up with the long hair, and you done messed up, son. And you would never be able to um, find them again. Oh man, that is not great. I can't seem to straighten this. I don't understand bangs and natural hair and how girls do it. Well, I guess they just don't. Well, this is supposed to get both sides, so maybe. Ow. Hot. But overall, I do love this flat iron. Check that out. It just looks so professional. Now this looks wolf cutty. Like, all right, now let's figure out what serum am I gonna use. I know it's cheap, but this Proclaim glossing polish. I'll throw this in my hair. I'm gonna get some better serum later, but this is just what I have right now. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells good. This isn't awful. This is wolf cut. I did it. I did wolf cut. I did wolf. Wolf, wolf. Lone wolf. I still don't know if I'm bold enough to wear my hair like this at work. It's a very strange hairstyle. And I kind of can't wait till it grows out. I like this side. This side, I mean, the whole thing is weird. But I'm weird, so look at that flow, dude. Look at that. Look at the bounce. It's like, I'm proud of it. So we're gonna wrap it and then I'll show you how it looks tomorrow. Yeah. Oh, look at that. This makes me look like my freaking mom, I feel like. Because she had bangs once. I keep trying to turn into my mom. We're done. Alright, I'm gonna wrap it and then show you how it looks in the morning. Oh, I should show you how I wrap it. Okay. One sec. Alrighty, so I am one of those people that have a hard time with keeping stuff wrapped. Like I'll just wake up and it'll just be not wrapped. I also try to avoid, bobby pins because I know for me, and I think it's because I use cheap bobby. Sometimes I try to get the better ones, but for me, bobby pins can break off your hair. So I'm gonna try to avoid them as much as I can. Okay. Careful. Then we swing this way. Try to swing this way. And I also, I don't want to do a big knot like I normally do, because I think that negatively affects my sleeping. And I kind of want to try, don't. I kind of want to try sleeping with this on top of it to avoid it from shifting. This is a, what are you? Maybe a wig cap, I guess? I think this is like a wig cap, but like open-ended. So if I wanted to, I guess I could like fold it down. Let's see if this will just stay. I also have no idea how I'm gonna run with my hair like this, but all we can do is hope for the best. But we're running whether we want to or not. Anyway, bye. All right. Ooh, I don't like you looking at me like that. Don't look at me like that. It's time for the reveal. Yeah, let's see how this wolf cut, haircut turned out. I'm looking for my brush. I'm a little nervy. I know the fabric of this shirt is not going to be good for my hair, but whatever, dude. I ran today. I ran this morning. I ran 7.35 miles. Not as far as I wanted to go. I only did 7, but that's okay. You know, we did it. We had a pretty decent time, but that sun be bothering me. Okay, so this is from wrapping it last night. Hello, Wolfie. It's just not giving, dude. I think it needs some curls or something. Or maybe I just can't pull it off. Yeah, I can't pull it off. Well, at least my hair feels healthy. Yeah, we'll give it that. My hair feels healthy. That was the main goal of this whole thing. But we'll just keep it in a bun or something until it grows out. I mean, I think it's fine when I do when I brush it to the side and just kind of do a side thing. But my hypothesis of my hair not really doing well with bangs, I think I was right about that. I don't think it does well with bangs. It's just not thick enough. Oh, if you're thinking about giving yourself a wolf cut, this is how it looks on thin, semi-thin, natural hair. Oh, also, I went back and I cut it again to make it even in the back. So that's why it looks even in the back. So I took the two sides, I put ponytail holders on it like this, and then I cut them evenly, and then I did something like this where I was like, all right, let me make sure there's no straggly crazies hanging out, and I just chopped it, and this is probably the most even cut I've ever done on my own hair. So proud of that. Yeah, sorry if this was disappointing. I don't hate it. It's just not as nice as the gram. I guess it is shaggy. This kink is getting on my nerves. That's why I hate wrapping my hair like the circle. I'd rather put it in rollers. But the only reason why I didn't is because recently I've just been having sleep issues. Like anything off. Like for a while I was like, I can't sleep in scarves. Like I just need to be bleh. So I definitely was like, I can't put in a roller in unless I just don't want to sleep. So that's why I got this kink, because I'm not really good at the wrap situation. But look at how healthy that kind of, look how flowy that is. Look at how it just follows. Look at that. Alrighty. yeah. So this is how I styled it. I just put it in a ponytail. Just in case you wanted to know.